In this video, we're going to be talking about Solana. We're going to be analyzing the price of Solana to see where price is going, basically giving a technical analysis on price action. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe, as I'm trying to hit 600 subs. As well as that, before investing into Solana, please do your own research, as I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see here on coin market cap, Solana is currently up 0.13% at the time of recording. You can see here on the daily chart provided by coin market cap. You can see here that price has pretty much been bearish. You can see here we've been making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and then we did pretty much reach the low of around $99.3, and then from then onwards we did have the initial pretty much pump essentially towards the upside, possibly pretty much reaching the highs of around $103. So yeah, you can pretty much see that Solana has pretty much had a little pullback essentially by the looks of it. Even if we check on the weekly to see how Solana has pretty much been playing out, you can see Solana was pretty much bearish, roughly around about $87.2 on the start of the week. And then you can see here that we've had the pretty much bullish momentum come through into the market, making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And we did reach the weekly high of around about $105, which is really nice to see, as we are now in the 3-figure mark for Solana. Hopefully we can start to reach back up towards $250 essentially for a new all-time high. And if you go over to trading view, you can see here that pretty much Solana has pretty much been breaking structure. You can see here that there was a huge supply zone roughly around this area, and looks like price did pretty much respect it. We did have a little pullback toward the downside, and it looks like price is still continuing to become bullish, which is really nice to see. Hopefully we can have a break of structure for this. We can have a closure, a candle closure above this. As you can see here, pretty much before we did just have wicks, nothing major. And yeah, you can see here that there is loads and loads of pretty much loads of area for price to fill in. You can see here that there is loads and loads of imbalances left yet to be filled in. You can see the imbalance between this and this. You can see imbalances between this as well. So the price will definitely come back up to fill in this imbalance. Even if you check on the daily to see how Solana has pretty much been playing out, you can see we did reach the low of around 70, pretty much, what was the low? $75.45. You could have got yourself a nice little bargain there where if you bought in roughly around about that region. You can see there was a very strong demand zone roughly there, and you can see that price will definitely come up. And you can see we've had the first break of structure on the daily chart, which is a good indication that price will become bullish. As well as that, we have to take into the current market conditions of Bitcoin as well. Even if we check out Bitcoin is looking pretty much bullish. I feel like we will have one candle that will pretty much take out all of this liquidity, but I do not know when. Even if we check on the lower time frames like the 4-hour, you can pretty much see that there has been pretty much consolidating, and then we've had a little breakout, a little consolidate, pretty much a little reaccumulation schematics reoccurring. And you can see here we did have the accumulation schematics that did pretty much complete in order for the price to become bullish. You can see that we've been respecting a few of the little supply areas as well. So looks like the market is in a good state for the overall market, or for crypto essentially. You can see that the overall market is doing good, and I feel like the overall crypto market cap is 2.03 trillion as well, which is really nice to see, as we're now above the 2 trillion mark. As well as that, you can see the overall market is up 1.39% over the day, which is also really nice to see. It looks like the market is starting to get back on its own feet, as Bitcoin did pretty much crash it to pretty low essentially. We did have a pretty low drop, reaching a low of around 33k essentially. But looks like price is slowly building itself back up toward the 60k. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I'm trying to 600 subs. Peace.